Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that Ariana Grande side part ponytail thing that she's been doing lately in all of her videos and her newest album. And it's very different from like that sleek long ponytail she used to do, so she's kind of changing her style. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and this is the hairstyle that I have in my last video. So if you want to learn how I got that hair and how to do it for yourself, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so my hair is actually a little bit dirty. Like, not super dirty, but it's a little bit dirty, like in the roots. But what you're gonna need is a straightener. My hair, I did straighten it yesterday. I thought it would stay for some reason. Don't know why I thought that. You'll need a brush. I have this, which I don't own brushes, like normal brushes. I never brush my hair. I know people are gonna be like, that's weird, but my hair doesn't really get tangled. But I normally don't need to brush my hair unless I'm doing like sleek hairstyles. So I just kind of have like this sleeky little brush. I have a toothbrush that I use only for my hair. This Edge Cream by Cantu. Right there, just to kind of, if we need help there. And then hair ties. I have like all of these that I just got from Amazon, but just like any basic hair tie will work. I suggest, if you have a lot more hair like I do, to have like 2 or 3 on hand. But yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is heat up your straightener. I have mine heating up right now. Again, like I said, I straightened my hair already, but it's like not that straight anymore at all. So I'm gonna have to go over that. I'm just gonna go over my whole hair and straighten it all. Okay, so my hair is now a lot straighter. It's not 100% straight. I hate this thing. It like cuts off my circulation, so I'm bringing it down. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the actual hairstyle. So this is a part that I hate because I hate my hair in a side part. I like it like this in the middle, but she does a side part. So I'm just gonna take this brush and create a side part. Look how much worse I look with a side part. It's absolutely insane. I don't know how people pull it off to look so cute. I can't do it. So now my hair is super thick, so if I tried to sleek this to the side, it wouldn't look that good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section from that middle part, and then this little piece of hair is going to be what flips over, and then all of this will be going up, so it's less hair being like pushed to the side, if that makes any sense. So this is my bang section. I'm going to go ahead, section that off just like that, and now I'm going to bring everything else up into a ponytail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have 2 hair ties at the ready to bring my hair up into a higher ponytail. And there is the ponytail. So it's pretty high up, so it kind of like falls over on itself. And there's the side bang. What is this? Alright, so now we have this whole side bang situation happening. I'm gonna just leave that there for a second, the side, while I work on sleeking this part right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Cantu Edge Cream, the little brush, get some on there. I look horrible for the side part. And now I'm just going to do my edges like this. and sweep up the sides. So just like that, and then we have to deal with this situation. So I'm gonna brush it down like this. And I'm gonna pull this and get it behind my ear. And I'm gonna take a bobby pin and pin it right there with 2 bobby pins. Actually 3. 3 bobby pins. And then I'm gonna go with that same little brush and swoop it into place. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with it because I don't really like how it looks on me personally, but it's okay because it is what it is. So I have my iron back on, and I'm just gonna kind of straighten these pieces here on the sides, especially at the top, because at the bottom, now we're gonna do the little whoop thing that we do. Alrighty, so that is ready. So my curling iron is warm, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair, wrap it around once, hold it for a little, and let go. And then you have like this little curl. I'm gonna do the same thing for this next little section. I'm just wrapping it around once, holding it. So that is that side. Super cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Alrighty, so that is the completed look of this Ariana Grande hairstyle, and I think that anyone can do it as long as you are okay using heat tools, because definitely she's using some heat tools. If your hair is naturally straight, maybe you can get away with it. You just might have to like curl the ends. My hair is like wavy with like kind of curls at the ends, but I still had to straighten and curl my hair, so it really depends on your hair type. But I think that this is super duper cute, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put on her iconic makeup, and I am done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1K, and as I've said before, I will be having a giveaway when I hit 1K, and there will be 2 prize winners, so stay tuned for that. And when that happens, don't forget to enter the giveaway. And I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.